Kev G weather overview. We're looking at a very nice stretch of weather, and it started yesterday. We had those crazy downpours on Thursday in the morning and then again in the evening, but that's about all the rain that we should really expect over the next 7 days. It looks very dry and very tranquil around these parts. The worst of the weather across the continental United States is going to be across the south with some heavy tropical rains, and across the west where they are dealing with deadly wildfires of unprecedented proportions. Meanwhile, back here, these are today's expected high temps, a bit below normal for this time of year. Now, as we go into tomorrow, we should be looking at highs that are going to be a little bit more warmer, a little warmer than today, with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Now, as we go into Monday, this is off of NOAA, we look to have highs around 80, but noticeably cooler on Tuesday as we have high pressure that moves overhead by Monday evening. In fact, here are your wake up temperatures for Tuesday morning. Check this out. A hint of fall as we see 40s and 30s widespread in the Hudson Valley with 50s closer to the coast for your wake up temperature on Tuesday morning. Back to the maximum, and we've got highs on Tuesday that are generally going to be much like they are today with highs in the low 70s, and then a gradual warm up on Wednesday, and then again Thursday with highs pushing the 80-degree marker. Not a bad stretch of weather. When we look at the Weather Prediction Center, what they have as far as the total precipitation, very dry along the eastern seaboard from the Carolinas all the way up into Maine. Some precipitation across the Midwest, but you can see the bulk of the rain is really along the Gulf Coast from southern Texas all the way through the Florida Panhandle, and very dry out west with those aforementioned wildfires. So the day-to-day run off the GFS is pretty benign looking. This is for tomorrow with temperatures warming up somewhat. We have a weak front that moves through here on Monday morning, but it looks to wash out. The main story with Monday afternoon, Monday night is going to be this transition to cooler weather. You see that big area of high pressure just moving overhead, so that by Tuesday morning, we're going to see good radiational cooling with the winds going calm and the skies becoming clear under that very broad area of high pressure. A strong high for this time of year, 1029, coming down out of Canada. And any tropical mischief stays well offshore. Now, to the right of your picture, you can see Hurricane Paulette, but she is way out in the ocean. And she could actually menace Bermuda for Monday into Tuesday. But that's of no consequence to the tri-state area. In fact, the only consequence that it would bring is some pretty high surf. So if you do go to the beach this week, you'll notice those waves really kicking up Monday into Tuesday as Paulette makes her way out to sea. High pressure, though, maintains control for Wednesday, and then it gives way to perhaps some showers, maybe a glancing blow by the time we get into Thursday night and Friday of next week, with some tropical moisture trying to make its way up the eastern seaboard. But all in all, this is a very tranquil, benign pattern, and it looks like we are in fine shape for the balance of this upcoming week.